Hey guys, welcome to a new studio vlog. Let's get started. I was watching some other YouTuber. One of them, he was talking about how it's so popular these days to follow your passion. You know, the quote, if you follow your passion, then you'll never have to work a single day in your life or do what you love. Yeah, I think there's a lot of truth to that, as Steve Jobs talked about in one of his interviews, and I'll link that above. I think it is important to have passion in what you do because that does sustain you through the hard times. But this artist's view was very interesting because he was saying he feels that it's much more important to have a purpose that's bigger than your passion. And sometimes waiting for the feeling to be right, to feel inspired or to feel passionate about what you do, is what holds us back from actually doing the things we need to do to get to the purpose or the goal that we want to achieve. And I thought that was very interesting because it's different from the very popular trend of do what you love, and it's more about the discipline and kind of having the grit to do the difficult things or to do things that you don't want to do because you see a bigger picture and you have a vision of where you want to be. I guess it's kind of like if you're working out, you aren't going to see the results right away. You probably won't see it even within a week, a month, sometimes a year. And there's probably a lot of times where you don't want to work out, but if you push yourself to do it, regardless of whether you feel like working out or not, and you're consistent, eventually and probably you'll get to your goal faster.
No aconchego da areia, ele dorme a noite inteira. Não há o que duvidar, ali é seu lugar. Eu não te impeço de chorar. Pode perguntar.
Packing takes a lot longer than what I initially thought, especially framed orders. And I think part of it is because I am very thorough and I really care about the packaging, probably more than I should. I like the feeling of when I receive a package, feeling like I'm receiving a gift, and I want my customers to feel the same way. That's my hope. That every package, that every customer that receives their order feels like they're unwrapping a gift. If you have a small business where you sell physical products and you mail them out, this is such a great investment. It's a game changer. I've been holding off on this because, to be honest, when you're starting off, it can seem expensive. But I finally got one, and this is so fast and it doesn't use any ink, so it's great. I'll leave a link below. I highly recommend. There are other brands, but I decided to go with this one, and I'm so glad I finally got it.
Onde é meu lugar? Tudo certo da correnteza aos pinguins na natureza, até a paciência que vem tão devagar. Eu não me canso de pensar que era com você, era meu lugar. Passarinho na bicicleta amarela e o calor